Hi, I'm Shobha Rajesh. I'm a teacher by profession. I have done my B.Ed in special education. Here I would like to share a few thoughts about how I became a proud mother and what is the reason behind it. And it will be helpful for all the parents who want to overcome certain hurdles in their life. One day when he was 8 months old, we had a renovation in our house. There was a drilling machine sound. We all were disturbed with the noise, but Arjun remained standstill. That disturbed us a lot. We went for a checkup and we found he was a profound hearing loss. The whole family was shattered. We don't know how to move forward. And thank God we found a school, early intervention school for children in Chennai. And there the mode of teaching is based on arts. So each and everything they explain to the child through the arts, through the drawing and coloring. And there his passion for colors started. He was always looking for the colorful things, even the vegetables he likes carrot. Even milk also, you don't take white milk. If you are mixed with the colors, he likes to have it. Okay. So he used to express his things through arts. That was his way of communication. And slowly he started learning. He went to a Little Flower School in Chennai, which was a special school for children. And there the learning was easy for him because it's a special children's school. And he participated in many art competitions and won many prizes.